Here we are going to demonstrate photoelectric effect using electroscope. The materials required is electroscope. I have used aluminum foil instead of zinc plate, UV light, PVC pipe and a plastic cover So the theory behind photoelectric effect, before we demonstrate the experiment, it is the emission of electron from a metal surface when a light of sufficient frequency strikes on it. This phenomenon of photoelectric emission was discovered in 1887 by Heinrich Hertz during his electromagnetic wave experiments. In his experimental investigation on the production of electromagnetic waves by means of a spark discharge, Hertz observed that high voltage sparks across the detector loop were enhanced when the emitter plate was illuminated by ultraviolet light from an arc lamp. Halvords in 1888 undertook the study further and connected a negatively charged zinc plate to an electroscope. He observed that zinc plate lost its charge when it was illuminated by an ultraviolet light. Further, the uncharged zinc plate became positively charged when it was irradiated by ultraviolet light. Positive charge on a positively charged zinc plate was found to be further enhanced when it was illuminated by ultraviolet. From these observations, he concluded that negatively charged particles were emitted from the zinc plate under the action of ultraviolet. Here, instead of zinc plate, we have aluminum foil, and this is my electroscope. Now at the background, I am rubbing PVC with a plastic cover so that the PVC pipes get negatively charged, and I am charging the electroscope by charging by conduction. So I am touching this so that you can see that the two leaves of the aluminum foil diverges. I'll do it one more time for clarity and for your observation. I'm rubbing the PVC pipe against the plastic cover so that PVC pipe is negatively charged. Now I'm touching this electroscope. So now charging by conduction is done, and by charging by conduction method, I have charged this aluminum foil as negative. That it's shown by divergence. Now if I shine the UV light, then the divergence is decreased. So you can understand, when the UV light is irradiated, then the electrons are emitted. So that decreases the amount of electrons accumulated in the zinc plate, and so the divergence decreases. Conclusion: photoelectric effect is observed using an electroscope with aluminum foil and UV light. Interferences: certain materials like zinc, cadmium, magnesium responded only to ultraviolet, having shorter wavelength, to cause electron emission from the surface. Alkali materials such as lithium, sodium, potassium and cesium, also rubidium, were sensitive even to visible light. Thanks for watching.